What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing this J&L oil separator oil catch can. I finally got it. It shouldn't be too hard. I mean, you can see the extensions here, the catch can holder with the screws. They give you a sticker, lifetime warranty. That's cool. So there's a couple of options. I mean, I chose the J&L because it's a little longer, and I don't know, I kind of want it out of the way. I saw the Bill one. The Bill one looks cool, but it looks like it's really up against the supercharger, and I was just worried that might... I mean, I'm sure it'll be fine, but I don't know if it'll like grab the belt or anything like that. So this install should be pretty easy. I have a screwdriver for the screws. And if you guys been following me since the Queens days, you guys know I used to do all my installs in a garage, like in a parking garage. Now I actually have my tools in all my garage, and you can see what I'll be installing next. So definitely stay tuned. And then I just got this wrench kit, and that's all I should really need to install this. So let me pop the hood, and then we'll get started. All right, so I popped the hood. It's a sunny day. It's definitely hot outside. You guys can see the Hellcat motor in there. So I believe it mounts right here. I'm gonna look at the instructions quick. So this bolt right here, where this I guess this intercooler thing is, that comes out. That's where the oil can is going to sit, right here. And then we got to connect it. I believe this is the hose that comes out from the PCV valve into the supercharger. So remove that. And it's actually, the TRX is a little high, I'm not gonna lie. I might need a little stepping stool, or maybe I can reach it. I don't know. Let me see. Let's see how this thing comes out. Yeah, I might actually have to grab some. It's a little tall. So I ended up grabbing this little step stool right here. Definitely makes it easier to get in here. So I know there's a tab you got to pull out, and I'm trying to find it. Where's the little tab? Maybe it's on. Oh, okay, it's on the back side. All right, so I pulled that off. It's hard to do this with one hand. And then I believe the supercharger one, you kind of just push down and it comes out. Now I just gotta find the little... Ow! Damn, this shit's hot. It's like 90 degrees outside. Damn, that shit actually burned my finger. Probably not the best day to do this, but you know, I was bored, so I said fuck it. Now let me see if I can get this thing off. Oh, okay, so there's like a little P right here, so it's got to be this. I'm guessing that's what it is. It's tough to get in there. You know what, let me put the camera down real quick. I'll take it off, and then I'll show you exactly how I took it off. Alright, so I finally got the tube off. So this one that's on the PVC valve just has this little basically, I don't know, it's like little spring plastic that kind of opens it up. You can kind of see it there. See how it kind of opens it up. And then this one that's plugged into the supercharger basically just has this button right here on the back. You just push it and kind of opens it up. So it's pretty easy. Now we'll get the mounting bracket set up. Alright, so I ended up grabbing a wrench with the extension, and it is a 10 millimeter. And we're going to take off this bolt right here. You can see it. This gives me PTSD. If you guys followed me for a while, you guys remember when I did the SRT catch can. I ended up dropping the screws inside the engine bay, and then I had to wait to get new ones. Yeah, that was horrible. Not making the mistake this time. Oh, damn, it's still in there. Definitely want to make sure I didn't drop that. Put that down. Let me grab this. So this is gonna sit, this is the best way to do it. So it's gonna sit right where that hole was, and the same bolt's gonna go right on top. So let me just get that started. I don't want to drop the bolt, so let me just get that started real quick. All right, so I got it on there. You can see it. Now I just got to tighten it down. So I'm gonna grab the wrench again. It's not tight enough yet. All right, it's pretty tight. Same moving. So you can see it there. Bracket right there, placed in. Let me go grab the screws and the catch can. All right, so you can see the catch can here. I mean, it should be pretty simple. The closest one should go, which is this one with the 90-degree elbow. You can see the 90-degree right there. That one should be the one that goes to the PCV valve, and the other one should go to the supercharger. So basically I'm just gonna put this down here, put in those 2 screws they gave you, and screw that in. So I'm gonna need my other hand for this, so let me get that started, and then I'll show you when it's done. All right, so it's pretty simple. With Phillips head screwdriver, just put this in that way. Now it's ready to be hooked up. So this is the further one. This will go to the supercharger, as you can see right there. Let me see it. The one on the right. So the one on the left will connect right here, and I believe they just kind of push in. So let's see if you can see it. So this should just push right in. Let me see if I can get in. Oh, so there you go. It kind of just like clicks right in. It's definitely nice and easy. And then let me get the other one right here. And I don't want it to hit the belt, obviously. So this one will go like this. And this one should just, so you can kind of see it right there, it should just push right in. And they both click. That's it. So this one's hooked up, this one's right there, and that's it. That's the whole install. You can see it right there. You can hear it click in. So when you hear it click in, you know it's secure. And it's in there. And it's a nice little setup. I mean, like I said, I know Billet makes one that's like really close in there somewhere, but I don't know, I kind of like to, I figured if it's really close in there, like to get in there and grab the oil out, like, I don't know, it would be kind of a pain, but I don't know, I figured this was nice and easy. This is right here. I could basically just come over here and screw it really quick. All right, so I ended up moving the bracket out just a little bit because it was hitting the plastic over here when I was trying to unscrew it, but now it's perfect. I put it back in. You kind of want to do it hand tight. You don't want to go too crazy. So it's all hooked up, and you know, I'll keep up with it. I'll keep you guys updated how it works, but that's basically the whole setup. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. That was the J&L Oil separator. They do a lot of vehicles, so if you're interested in one, definitely go check them out. And that's gonna do it for this video. Definitely stay tuned. Like I said, I do have another mod coming in. I am gonna try to install this myself. Cross my fingers. Hopefully everything will be fine. I think it will be, but you know, you never know. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.